lang kasi, para mag-aayos na kami dito, bali mabili na kami ako, yung mga gamit na direct account na pangalanan ng palo. Para i-mail niya nila, ilagay lang dito at i-mail na. Para so, 17, yung 25 lang daw yung handle at my certificate. May 25 pa rin kasi yung wala pa. Wala pa. So, yun pa rin naman. By the way,
which, you know what, it's not, it's not something I have no problem with the question. Okay, I just didn't ask it because I think that it wasn't an appropriate moment to not the appropriate audience. Kasi baka yung iba hindi nila ma-understand yung humor the way you would. So I hope you understand kung bakit pero it was really funny. Actually, pala natin yung pag-usapan. Do you want to talk about it?
Go lang. Go.
Yeah, we can talk about it. That's something. English ang hindi kailangan English.
English or Spanish?
Sobrang galing. Kasi you know what, ang curiosity na why among all the questions na kaya na mag-formulate sa kanyang utak, that's what came to mind. You know the question din?
Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag nyo ipasa.
Well, I know that's a serious question. That's why yung sabi ko, I have two questions pa po. Kasi akala ko serious question. Nalagay na diba? Curious question. Diba?
Pinipilit na nila sabi ko, ito ipasa mo kay Zen.
Wala talaga akong maalala doon.
Wala.
Is this so your question na?
Hindi, nakita ko naman.
Would it be okay if we talk about it or no? We shouldn't talk about it now. Okay. Yes, now. Kasi huwag yung... Okay lang, kasi mag-isama natin. Baka may sagot si Joy. So his question was, kung ano niya daw, kung sabay niya daw na nabuntis yung dalawang babae, tapos sabay sila ng anak, sino yung pangalan?
Utang.
Right?
So, anong tingin niyo po?
Uy, anong ginagawa mo?
Does anyone have an answer before? Nobody.
Pagtanong kami, pagtanong siya.
Grabe, natawa ko sa question niya. Pero you know what? Well, if we think about it literally, di ba? Hindi naman
Kailan mo akong kausap?
both, halimbawa, parang silang 12:54 ng anak mismo. But then, even when they do like 12:54, meron it will be still down to the second, di ba? So, kung sino yung mas nauna siguro, yun yung, yung like down to the second, yun yung pangalan.
Yung anak mo lang mag-exit sa buong ng buo.
Exactly, yeah. But my question is, bakit dalawa?
Ba't dalaw nga, boy? Ba't kasi dalaw? Sabay.
Sabay yung ginawa?
Grabe. Multitasking ah.
Pag nababaero mo na.
Ay. Dinadrop yan ah.
So, may nakapag-isipan yan.
Wala.
hindi, tinatanong na kasi ano si Boneso.
Ganyan ko lang wala.
Okay. We're not gonna push on that. Actual course. Pero, grabe yung curiosity ha. Like, among all the questions, baka pwede siya magtanong sa about like sex, protected sex, or anything. Pero tanong talaga kasi yung panganay. Pero you know what? It's a curious question and it happens. Bakit wala ba kayong mga tanong na ganyan? Ha?
Ngayon ko lang narinig yan.
Bakit? Sige siya.
Ngayon ko lang narinig yan, boy.
Hindi ba kayo nagtanong yung mga tanong na nahihiya rin kayo sabihin? Huwag kayong ganyan. At least he was brave enough to say the question. Diba?
Homsin.
Yeah.
Yes! Tama lang yan. Tama.
Kasi, you know what? Ang ano ko dyan, magandang debate ko yan. Gagawin ko siyang topic of debate sa concept.
Ay, agaw nakatulong ka, boy.
Kasi, we had a similar question naman. Pero yung amin kasi, about, marriage. Like, if one man married two women, both at the same time, sino yung legal? Right?
Ano?
Yung mas nauna, tapos kakasuhan siya pagkatapos.
Yung mas
Hindi,
naman
sabihin ka.
Grabe. Chill.
Let's say for some reason, because there are cultures like that, na sabay silang inasal, sabay sila, or whatever, right? So, paano yung madidetermine kung sino yung legal?
I think kasama na yun sa ano, ng ano, kasi if allowed na naman na ano, na allowed.
Hindi ba dapat yan sa pagpirma mo ng marriage certificate? Kung
Depende
sino
yan
yung
sa
ano pumirma?
culture. Anong ano ba siya?
Yeah.
For example, Islamic law, meron silang ano, pwede kang mag-asawa for the ano, marriage, polymarital. Tapos, ang limit lang doon is up to 5 wives. Pero, ang condition doon, dapat silang 5 equally mong itatrato. So, if you bought a car for your first wife, dapat yung 4.
Yeah.
Ay, alam na naman.
Pero for ano kasi, because this is a wide debate. Kasi for example, the Islamic practice of marriage is not really widely acknowledged here in the Philippines. Kasi we are a Christian country. Kaya nga, meron na so just na humiwalay sila, di ba? It's because they're so different to the point na mas bagay yung kanilang beliefs on a different than the Christian country. Kasi still, the law stands. Right? The penal, nakalagay pa rin sa revised penal code that you can only get married once, and when you get married the second time, it will be considered adultery. No matter the religion, wala doon nakasabi na, except. Yeah.
Pinafollow yung ano, yung
Oo. So, the debate,